Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. In today's construction education video, we will be handling monolithic beam and slab construction process. Before we start the construction process, just know that monolithic beam and slab construction process is simply a method where the beam and slab are cast together in a single concrete pour, forming one continuous structural unit for enhanced strength and rigidity. Now, let's read and follow this detailed drawing as we move to site. As you read, take note of the dimension, slab panels, and rebars. Having completed this foundation in a previous video, let's start setting out kickers. Formwork for kickers. Casting of 225 by 225 by 75 mm kickers. Formwork removal. Installation of column reinforcement. Let me expose myself here. Sorry, I forgot to place the column links alternately. Please don't forget to do so in your projects. Thanks. Formwork for columns. Pouring of concrete columns. Formwork removal. Allow for curing 7 to 14 days. Take measurement to construct beam bottom formwork. Fixing of beam bottom formwork. Fixing of props to support the formwork. Placing of ladder. We use this a lot on site, especially when the staircase has not been constructed. Note, I will not be constructing staircase in this particular project, so that this video will not be too long. Please watch staircase construction video up here. Thanks. Fixing of inner props to support slab panels. Formwork for suspended slab panels. Note, all the slab panels must be constructed with the exact dimensions given on the detailed drawing so that the slab and beam reinforcement can be installed correctly as designed to avoid rework and wasting of materials. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks. Inspection of formwork before rebar installation. Placing of 25 mm concrete cover. This 2x2 wood are used to support and set the beam reinforcement correctly before lowering them into the formwork. Installation of beam reinforcement. Removal of the wooden support and lowering of beam reinforcement into formwork. Now, let's read the detailed drawing again so that we can fix slab reinforcement correctly as designed. As you are reading this drawing, take note of the slab panels and their respective reinforcement details, because this is exactly how we are going to install them on site. Alright, let's start with panel 1 and 2. You can always go back to this drawing as we proceed. Fixing of the first bottom bar B1, 23x12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. Fixing of the second bottom bar B2, 34x12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. Fixing of the first bottom bar B1 in panel 3 and 4, 25x12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. Fixing of the second bottom bar B2, 35x12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. Fixing of the first bottom bar B1 in panel 5, 34x12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. Fixing of the second bottom bar B2, 11x12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. In the same manner, fix all top bars at 200 mm spacing. Now, inspect all mechanical and electrical works. Ensure they are properly installed without compromising the integrity of any structural element before final boarding and pouring of concrete. Mechanical or plumbing work. Fixing of the external formwork. Final inspection of formwork before casting. Pouring of 150 mm concrete slab. Ensure proper vibration during pouring. Casting completed. Formwork removal. Allow for proper curing 7 to 14 days. Final inspection. Good job! Work completed. This is how to construct monolithic beam and slab. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Thanks for watching.